I'm really happy to be here for the national workshop on scaling up good practices for climate change adaptation. As you rightly recollected our China visit, because that was as a legislator, and that we created interest in more than 100 legislators by organizing various kinds of seminars and lectures in whole debate of climate change, which includes technology, funding, adaptation, mitigation, emissions, and all kinds of pollutions. And then suddenly I became the minister. But let me at the outset tell you that मैं तो पानी के आंदोलन का एक कार्यकर्ता हूँ. I have already worked out a comprehensive watershed development program in 11 villages of my district Pune, in Mulshi Tehsil, in Kolwan Valley, during 95 to 99. In 4 years we completed, and the area which was completely scarce and without water after December is now growing 3 crops. So that is already we are doing it. We have already done it. I am part of the movement for adaptation, for water, and therefore I was very happy to come here. Let me tell you at the outset that India is best in adaptation, and particularly Indian farmer and the common person. What is needed? मुझे बताओ यार, 90 करोड़ मोबाइल फोन चल रहे इस देश में. कम से कम 60 करोड़ लोग, आधे लोगों के पास मोबाइल है. 60 करोड़ लोग सीख गए. ये इतना आसान नहीं है. सारा टेक्नोलॉजी है, यूज कर रहे हैं. और मैं हमेशा कहता हूं, आपके ड्राइवर से पूछो, उसका फेसबुक अकाउंट नहीं होगा तो मैं कोई भी शर्त हार जाऊंगा. सब सीख गए, व्हाट्सएप भी कर रहे हैं और बाकी भी कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. हमारे लोग एडेप्टेशन में इतने अच्छे हैं. वी आर सो गुड इन एडेप्टेशन. व्हाट इज नीडेड इज information, knowledge, scientific dissemination of information, and hands-on experience. If that is conveyed, everybody is ready to adapt. मुझे रेलवे के अधिकारी आए, मैंने एक सुझाव दिया था कि मोबाइल से रेलवे का टिकट बुक होना चाहिए. The booking must come from mobile, then only queues will stop. They are into that now. But they asked me, what is about payment gateway? मैंने कहा, what you are asking? 80 करोड़ 60 करोड़ लोग ऑलरेडी अपने मोबाइल के द्वारा मोबाइल को रिचार्ज कर ही रहे ना. What is more secured way of payment, which is available at any pan shop also? And रिचार्ज कूपन लेके लोग रिचार्ज कर रहे हैं. तो what is this? That's the capacity to adapt. People learn technologies. I can tell you 2 stories. If today we are eating seedless grapes in Maharashtra, it has come out of one passionate person in Dabholkar. 30 years ago I saw him going villages to villages, propagating seedless grapes, and people were not believing that it can happen. But when I found that in rural villages, more than 1,000 young farmers sitting with their notebooks, he is delivering one-man university, going places, and taught and we became the leader in Maharashtra in the seedless grapes. So adaptation is ingrained, is absolutely there in everybody. The issue is how, and therefore this today is your, मुझे लगता है मैं हिंदी में ही बोलना चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे यही पहला मुद्दा बताना है कि आपको देश के किसानों को और देश के लोगों से बात करना है तो उन्हीं के जुबान में बात करनी पड़ेगी, उसके सिवा नहीं होगा। और इसलिए, लेकिन आज के इसमें आप थिंक टैंक के रूप में कर रहे हो, तो थिंक टैंक का काम है कि ये आज चर्चा करके कुछ नए साधन, कोई नए तरीके अपनाएंगे कि जिससे क्लाइमेट चेंज एडेप्टेशन के बारे में हम, जो जलवायु परिवर्तन है उसकी सच्चाई को हम नकार नहीं सकते। जलवायु परिवर्तन हो रहा है, उसका सामना करने के दो तरीके हैं, और सामना करने के दो तरीके हैं कि अपना प्रदूषण को कम करो, एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी के रास्ते पर चलो, और एडेप्टेशन सीखो कि जिससे ये जलवायु परिवर्तन से जो हानि हो सकती है उससे बचा जा सकता है। दैट इज व्हाट इज नीडेड, दैट इज व्हाट इज नीडेड। And on the global forum, there is yet another dimension to the whole adaptation debate. Now we are heading towards Conference of Parties at Lima, and ultimately in Conference of Parties in Paris in 2015, which will have the new regime of how we are dealing with the climate change issue. And to that end, I have always put our country's views on all available global platforms. That the world wants to discuss only about mitigation. But we want to discuss, along with mitigation, more on adaptation. Because we are at the receiving end. And to that end, we are saying that the globe and the world must come forward by providing adequate finance, technology, and adaptation and differentiated responsibilities must also become part of the new global order in climate change. It's not about only mitigation and emission cuts. आपको किसी को याद होगा, मैंने मराठी में एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा, 100 साल का, हम जो कह रहे हैं ना कि क्लाइमेट चेंज अभी अभी आया है, यह सच नहीं है। 100 years of recorded monsoon has changed in the regions, every regions. एक मराठवाड़ा के कोई मराठवाड़ा एरिया, उसका अध्ययन 100 साल के बारिश का कैसे बदला हुआ ग्राफ है, और उस बदले हुए ग्राफ में किसानों ने कैसे एडेप्ट किया और कैसे अपने को चेंज किया, कैसे उपलब्ध बारिश के आधार पे फसलों को बदला है। यानी इट वॉज सच एन इंटरेस्टिंग, कहाँ है मैं भी ढूंढूंगा, बहुत ही ओरिजिनल एक रिसर्च था। और उन्होंने ये दर्शाया है कि 100 साल में हर रीजन में चेंज आया है। ऐसा नहीं कि ये क्लाइमेट चेंज का डिबेट दुनिया में शुरू हुआ 1980 से 90 से और तब से दुनिया में कोई परिवर्तन आया है, ये सही नहीं है। इफ यू लुक टू द विंडो ऑफ 100 years यू विल फाइंड वन पिक्चर, इफ यू लुक टू द विंडोज ऑफ 1000 years यू विल फाइंड सम पिक्चर, एंड इफ यू लुक टू द विंडो ऑफ 10,000 years यू विल हैव डिफरेंट परसेप्शन. So we must understand comprehensively as to how to go about it. Our farmers are ready. Our common citizens are ready for adaptation. And that's where they are already adapting. China and India has great strength. We also progress because of adaptive skills in all sectors, not only in agriculture. But water scarcity, everybody has experienced. So Rajasthan has come out with their own methods. So जोहड़ की बात हुई या बाकी बातें हुई, तो पानी बचत के लिए पानी के पर ड्रॉप मोर क्रॉप is the refrain of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But that's in our gene. बीच में इरिगेशन आया, कैनाल इरिगेशन आया और हमारी आदतें बिगड़ी और हम फ्लड इरिगेशन करने लगे और फिर जमीन को सैलिनेशन होने की बात आ गई। तो पहले से तो हम पर ड्रॉप मोर क्रॉप की चिंता करते हैं और दुनिया में बदलते हुए जलवायु परिवर्तन का सामना करने के लिए हमारी तैयारी है। और इसलिए मैं ये कहूँगा कि today's workshop is important on many counts because you are going to discuss about many issues, adaptation, watershed management, and that management is important. When I developed that watershed in 11 villages, the villages which were having only one crop of rice, if they start producing again sugarcane, then your all watershed treatment which will result in more water available in your ground and your farms, if you use it that way and grow sugarcane, then it will not be sufficient again. So one has to adapt to that also, but people will learn. Water budgeting. Water budgeting is absolutely important because water budgeting is what is the per drop more crop is. And to that end, we have already experimented many things. Community-based water budgeting, government-ruled water budgeting, and forced water budgeting. We must adopt for a community-based water budgeting, and to that we must create that psychology and that attitude in the masses and the farmers. And if there are good people around, people go that way. Adaptive sustainable culture, again per drop more crop. Do you know that 2/3 of the agriculture waste goes into the water bodies? Why? Because we are using excessive fertilizers and excessive pesticides. Because if you use exactly इंजेक्शन जो हम लेते हैं, डॉक्टर दवा देता है तो एग्जैक्टली 20 मिलीग्राम देना है तो उतना ही देता है इंजेक्शन, 30 नहीं देता है। बट खेत में हम ज़्यादा डालते हैं और वो फिर एब्सॉर्ब नहीं करती है प्लांट्स और वो सब ज़मीन में जाता है, फिर पानी में मिलता है और फिर वाटर बॉडीज में आता है। सो दैट्स हाउ इट्स डिफरेंट। Watershed-based farmer-centric agrometeorology. One is soil health card, very important issue. Unless we create soil health card and we will then have a different patterns of different soils available and then we can really suggest him what is good for him. So this mandatory soil health card is one part of the story. And agrometeorology also must be studied not in random, but in specificity. You can find agroclimatic zones, more micro-agroclimatic zones also work. And therefore the agricultural patterns also changes. Biodiversity and ecosystems. This is also very important because as I am very proud as an Indian, we have only 2.5% of the land mass of the world. And we have 18% of human as well as cattle population. And still, we are 8% of the world species in biodiversity. If this is happening, this means that we are a rich biodiverse country and we can increase that richness by our own actions. And disaster risk reduction. See, we are learning. The disasters recently happened in Hudhud cyclone or in earlier cyclones and other disasters. With the intervention, human intervention and scientific approach, we could mitigate and we have adopted the technology and the situation in such an extent that we could avoid the disaster physically. It's not only Hudud, but the Kosi river floods, which every year used to disturb and destroy large part of Bihar along the Kosi river. This time this didn't happen. Why? बिकॉज जहाँ से नेपाल से पानी बहता है और जहाँ वो तोड़ते हैं बांध को और पानी जाने देते हैं, उसको इस बार हमने साइंटिफिकली किया. इट वॉज ए जॉइंट ऑपरेशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड नेपाल which avoided floods in Kosi. And Kosi, though it was ready for that disaster, with the past experience, we made all arrangements, but they were not required because floods went through the river only. So we can improve, we can succeed. We are making the difference. And this year particularly, many such disasters which were awaiting, we could handle them more efficiently. The new government is committed on all issues of climate change and adaptation. And to that end, the government has first renamed the ministry which I am heading, Environment and Forest, now is Environment, Forest and Climate Change. But more importantly, we have already given our indication by giving 100 crores for Climate Adaptation Fund, as a Climate Adaptation Fund. It's a big thing, it's a starting point of 100 crore, it will grow further. And we are now, I'm taking next week the presentation because the ideas are already discussed, the programs are ready, and we will put up before the country the full adaptation plan. How to use these, not only 100 crores, but further funds which will come for next year also. Because this is a permanent rising need of the country, and therefore the country and the government is committed to create Climate Adaptation Fund, and we expect more from the globe also, some action. The Prime Minister is passionate about clean India and green India. That's all about adaptation. Again, if we want to mitigate the challenge of climate change, it's absolutely necessary that we become clean and green. And to that end, we have taken many steps. The watershed development, the Pradhan Mantri Sinchai Yojana, the 8 missions in real mission mode, the National Disaster Response Force, food grid, and now we are coming to the state action plans. We have asked each state to have its, because state is a big thing, and they must be stakeholders of all these efforts. It should not be a Delhi-driven development. It has to be from bottom-ups. And we are, मुझे तो लगता है हर शहर का भी adaptation plan तैयार होना चाहिए. Every city, every district must come out with their own adaptation plan. Taking note from actually ground situation, we can create our response. And therefore, I am very happy today that this national workshop on scaling up of good practices, because sharing of good practice is very important. That doesn't happen. पहले ये कहते थे कि सोना बेचने के लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारे मराठी में एक कहावत थी कि अगर आपके पास अच्छा गहना है तो वो हाथ में डाला है बैंगल्स, तो उसको बताने के लिए इश्तिहार की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन अब ज़माना बदल गया है, इश्तिहार की ज़रूरत है. सबसे ज़्यादा एडवर्टीजमेंट अभी ज्वेलरी और गोल्ड की होती है, तो ये बताने की भी ज़रूरत है. वी नीड टू प्रोपोगेट इट फर्दर. एंड देयरफॉर टुडेज सेमिनार, द आइडियाज, द थिंक टैंक प्रोसेसेस will help in having new ideas, new programs. Some villages has devised it. We have to scale it up. Some farmer groups have done it. We have to take it to the other part of the country. And if we do that, and if this seminar becomes a medium for that, I'll be really happy and the purpose will be served. With that, I can say all the best today's seminar, and please send me the gist of what and the good practices which are available all over because I am interested always to see that and then propagate it further. Thank you very much. Once again, thanks.